I don't want to be a grandpa.
Why? What happened?
It's just moving.
Which one is moving?
There.
Which?
There.
Can I see? Your teeth?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh? Eh? Oh, why are you crying?
I don't want to be a grandpa.
You don't want to be a grandpa?
Yeah.
You're not going to be a grandpa. It's normal. So, why are you crying?
I don't want mommy to see this.
Oh. So what happened now with your teeth? It's okay now?
Yeah.
So you're not becoming a grandpa anymore?
Yeah.
You understand what daddy say? Okay.
Okay.
So it's okay.